Hello everyone. The topic that EFG class wants to share with you is that under the trend of new energy vehicles, challenging fuel vehicles, whether the amount of bearings used in car repairs will be greatly impacted. EFG advantages and which models were popular items in 2022. Firstly, in my opinion, the demand will remain strong in the next 5 to 10 years. The arrival of new energy vehicles will certainly affect the sales and usage of fuel vehicles, but fuel vehicles will not be immediately replaced. Even for new energy vehicles, bearings are still an indispensable and important component. Keeping good vehicle maintenance, including replacing bearings, is still crucial. Second, what are the advantages of EFG automotive bearings repair kits? Mainly in the following four aspects. Use a high-quality forged bearing steel material, which makes wheel bearings has durable and high precision performance. B. We are specialized in repair kits bearings in 16 years, has experience in R&D, producing and exporting. The main export countries are Italy, Poland, Brazil, Mexico, Dubai, South Africa, Indonesia, Australia, etc. EFG has a strong supply chain, integrated capabilities. Now, it has the ability to match a wide variety of accessories, and we have strict quality control processes. D. EFG has a complete automotive bearing repairs database, so we can provide customers with more valuable value-added services. So we are a trustworthy partner for you. Third, what are the models with the highest demand in 2022? Today, we strongly recommend more than 50 models that are highly favored by foreign customers in 2022. At the end of the video, we will show product pictures, application car models, and convention models of world famous brand for you to refer to. Okay, if you want our information, you can leave your message in our comment area. Our sales will contact you and send you information. Wish you have a good day. Today's sharing is here. Okay.